How to allow Spotify to play in background. So if you want to allow Spotify to play in background, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to launch your Spotify application. After launching your Spotify, you need to go with the top left, which has that profile icon. And then you need to go with settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, you'll have an option of apps and devices. Tap on it. Here, you should see an option to allow Spotify to play in the background. And if you don't find it, then simply you need to go with privacy and social. And if you find any option that it says that Spotify to play in background, then you just need to simply go and toggle it on. But in many devices, you don't need to toggle the option on. You can just simply go and play the song. Like for example, I'll play this one. Now once you play the song, if you go back and if you go with your control center, then as you can see that the song is still playing. So this feature is automatic, but if you have the option, you can go and toggle it on. If you don't, then it's automatic. You don't need to allow the Spotify to play in background. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.